Oh, he's letting the little homie rev the bike. Yo, what is up, boys? We got a little day ride today. We got my boy Christian's memorial. We got a food truck festival, and we're gonna hit the casino later tonight. So I've been trying to get some day riding in recently, but between the weather, work, being able to find time to ride has been difficult lately. Finally, the other day, Kyrie and I link up. We were gonna do some riding, and Kyrie's bike started acting up. It started dying when it gets up to temp. So he ordered a new regulator. Hopefully that takes care of all his issues, you know. When I dealt with the dying problems with this bike, I was just throwing fucking parts at it, and I still couldn't get it to fix. I still couldn't get it fixed. So fingers crossed that's what it is. It takes care of his problem. Because, man, that kid loves to ride. You see the shirts, it says Justice for Christian on the back of them, riding with the angels. Amanda made the design and made the shirts. They came out pretty sick though, I'm not gonna lie. They look pretty good. Damn, boys. We're headed out. Oh, he's letting the little homie rev the bike.
He wants to get a picture.
Oh, he wants to get a picture. Yeah, he wants a picture.
Oh, picture. Oh, we're gonna do burnouts.
Oh, we doing burnouts? I can with her on the back. Yeah, just out of respect, man, I didn't want to record much of the service, as most of this was just, you know, close family and friends. I'm sure you guys can understand. We're headed to the food truck festival now. It's literally 5 minutes away, so look at that fucking thing. The fuck is that? Nice and open. Food Truck Festival was pretty dope. Food Truck Wars, I think, was the actual event name. We got this like dope ass churro contraption. I'm pretty sure I got diabetes now. It was worth it. What the fuck is this guy doing? What the fuck? Look at that. Holy shit. That's a Florida view right there, boys. It doesn't get much more Florida than that. Oh, he had to put his foot down. He couldn't handle the heat. We are finally headed to the casino. So I don't know how much of this drive I'll actually include, or how much of this ride I'll actually include. It's kind of a trip out there, so like an hour ride, and there's not many lights once we get out of Fort Myers. He doesn't want the smoke, boys. Anybody that has a 3rd gen R6, this coolant hose right here is really good for keeping your fucking clutch hand warm. I thought those were fucking motorcycle cops, dude. Here.
Oh shit, where's my wallet? Where the fuck's my wallet at?
Oh no, dude.
How the fuck did that happen? But I had it in my pocket. I have my card, but not my wallet.
What? How does that happen?
That's my point. It was in my pocket.
Wait, so what are you missing? Did you have cash?
With my
Yeah, I know, but what was in your wallet? We are out of here, boys.
Put it in Daniel?
Yeah. Happy birthday. Ride safe. Keep your middies warm. Let's go home, boys. Fuck. I'm fucking numb. My fucking chest is numb. Are you okay? Honey, it's okay. Here, give me your hand. Give me your hand. It's okay. We'll pull over. We'll pull over. All right, hop off. Right here. Put your hands in here. Yeah. Her hands are cold. Yeah. Alright, boys. That's it. I'm cutting this one. If you enjoyed, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. I love you all. Take it easy. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.